Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine. I will teach you computer science of grade 4. So today we are going to start our new chapter, MS Windows 7, page number 27 to 30. Today we will learn about introduction of Windows 7, desktop and computer icons. First of all, let me tell you about Windows 7. What is Windows 7? Well, Windows 7 is an operating system. Windows 7 is one of the most widely used operating system. It was developed by Microsoft company. You can do many activities like saving, opening or deleting file, etc. by clicking on the mouse. Well, students, Windows 7 is an operating system released by Microsoft on October 22, 2009. It follows the previous sixth version of Windows called Windows Vista. Like previous versions of Windows, Windows 7 has graphical user interface GUI that allows you to interact with items on the screen using a keyboard or mouse. Well, let me tell you about operating system. An operating system is a software that controls all the activities between a users and the hardware of the computer. An operating system, OS, operating system, is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. An operating system is a software which perform all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling devices such as disk drives and printers. Well, an operating system acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. It allows users to input the data, process it, and access the output. Besides, through the operating system, user can communicate with computers to perform various functions such as arithmetic calculations and other significant tasks. Okay, let me tell you about software. A software is a set of computer programs and gives instruction to the computer to perform many tasks. Okay, move to next one is desktop. What is desktop? When computer starts, Windows run automatically and displays the version of the Windows it is using, like Windows 7 Ultimate, Windows 7 Home Premium, etc. Well, students, a desktop is a computer display area that represents the kind of objects one might find on top of a physical desk, including documents, reference sources, writing and drawing tools, and project folder. A desktop can be contained in a window that is a part of the total display area or can be full screen. Taking up the total display area, user can have multiple desktops for different projects or work environments they have and can switch between them. Okay, move to next one is icons. The desktop contains small pictures with some names such as My Computer, Recycle Bin. These are called icons. Well, students, an icon is a small graphical representation of a program or file. When you double click an icon, the associated file or program will be opened. Well, icons help a user quickly identify the type of the file represented by the icon. Okay, next one is computer icon. When you double click on the icon of a computer, a new screen appears on your monitor as shown in the figure. Well, you can see several icons on this window. These are hard disk drives, devices with removable storage, recycle bin, and documents. Okay, let me tell you about hard disk drives. A hard disk is used to store data on computer. There may be many drives of a hard disk such as local disk C, local disk D, local disk E, etc. These drives store data on a computer. When you save data or install programs on your computer, the information is typically written to your hard disk. The hard disk is a spindle of magnetic disks called platters that record and store information. The hard disk is housed inside the hard drive, which reads and writes data to the disk. Okay, next one is devices with removable storage. The floppy drive is used for storing data on a floppy disk. Okay, move to next recycle bin. Recycle bin is the dustbin of the computer. When we delete files or folders, they go into the recycle bin. You can easily restore the deleted files once again from the recycle bin. Okay, next one is documents. Documents icon contains files and folders. A file contains the information stored in the computer. There are many types of files like text files, sound files, image files. A folder is a collection of different files. A folder may also contain another folder in it. Okay, move to next. Next one is how to create a folder. Okay, what is folder? A folder is a storage space where many files can be placed into groups and organize the computer. A folder can also contain other folders. Well, to create a new folder, follow the given steps. First of all, navigate to the location where you want to create the folder. If you want to create a folder on the desktop, right click on desktop. Step number 2 is select new and a sub menu appears. Step number 3 is click on folder, and the last one is type the name of the folder as you want. For example, my folder. Okay students, I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion. And one more important thing, I have a home task for you. Here is some questions for you. Question number 1 is write the names of some icons present on a desktop. Second one is define the following: desktop, computer icon, hard disk drive, recycle bin, documents. And third one is write the step to create a folder. Well, students, you will get all the answers of these questions from this lecture. and you will do your home task on your notebook. Well, that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.